أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العلي العظيم. Second year class for the lecture number 24 came with informations. These are informations. These are not the informations about any non-living thing. These are the informations about your body. These are the informations about your bones name which are present in your body. These are the informations which are related with your life. These are informations how this machine is constructed, how this machine is supported, how your body is supported. Did you listen old people after 60-70 years and they start telling that our bones are very weak, our bones are weak, our joints are weak? Do you know that they told that they are unable to move upstairs due to lack of liquid, due to lack of the synovial fluid, due to lack of deposition of the calcium phosphate, due to lack of the deposition, due to the lack of osteocytes, due to the lack of osteoclast, due to lack of osteoblast. So these cells are so important part in our life. To understand them, it's very essential. We go back to the discussions which we were doing. Today I am going to tell you about some name of the bones, but before that we are forgetting one thing. We are just highlighting bone. Bone is okay. Bone is part of our skeletal system, but along with bone, another part which is significant, which is so significant, we are unable to move our backbone. We are unable to move our neck towards right or left side without this cartilage. Our ear will not be look beautiful. Our ear make the beauty of our face. Our nose will not be present if the cartilage is not present. More and more, our oxygen will not be able to go to the lungs when trachea did not contain these C-shaped cartilage. Normally in all books we give less importance to cartilage, we give more importance to bone, but cartilage is also very important part of skeletal system. What is the cartilage? First of all, I will tell you. You will be thinking, sir, cartilage and the bone difference. First of all, you will tell us because you are telling the both are the parts of skeletal system. First of all, I will define the skeletal system. Anything which is a hard and giving protection and doing some other functions in your body, that is skeletal system. If the skeletal system is present from to your outside, do you have any bone outside? Do you have any bones outside visible to the person? No, because that is covered inside the flesh, inside the tissues. So therefore your skeleton is an endoskeleton. It means our skeleton is an endoskeleton. If the skeleton is visible like cockroach dorsal side, plates are, you touch the dorsal side, upper side, dorsal side of the cockroach, and you will touch the plates. The plates are very hard and those are visible, and those are just like a hard chitin you can see at the dorsal surface of the cockroach. It means that is the skeleton, that is exoskeleton. We are composed of endoskeleton. Cartilage important in the sense that it is soft and it can be adjusted in those areas in which soft skeleton is required. Understand, hard bones is not required in all the places. Look here, your ear is flexible, soft bone is required to support your ear. So that is bone in the ear is the cartilage. I will tell you nose. In the nose, what is happening? In the nose, these bones, you touch your nose. That nose is very soft bone. That is cartilage. If you see the trachea, I make the trachea. This is a trachea tube of the respiratory system, and trachea tube is composed of C-shaped cartilage hard bone cannot be adjusted here. Here needs soft bone, here needs the soft skeleton, and soft skeleton will be present here, and this soft skeleton present in the trachea, that will manage the air movement, oxygen movement into the lungs. Oxygen can go very easily into the lungs. Look here, oxygen can enter, oxygen can move very easily into the lungs. By this way it will enter into the lungs. So these are the significant structures present in the trachea. C-shaped cartilage, C-shaped cartilage which are present in the trachea, and they are just opening. Function of trachea, okay, hold on, I am going to tell you function of trachea. Okay ji, just give me time, I am telling you function. Function of trachea is to transport oxygen to the lungs, clear? And you know, food transport is not much difficult, and food transport, if it will be stopped, no problem. We are not eating 24 hours, we are eating 3-4 times, and even the esophagus will close, no issue, because our food storage is present in the body. Where is the food storage in the body? Where is the food storage of the food storage in your body? Food storage in the body is in the liver, in the form of the glycogen. So glycogen is the stored food in the human beings. Glycogen is the stored food in the human being. So no need of the to store the food in our body, but oxygen storage is not present in our body. That is the major issue, because oxygen is not going to be stored in our body. So when oxygen store is not available, then nature modified this tube trachea by this way, that any type of irrelevant emergency should not occur in the future. This C-shaped cartilage always keep open this tube trachea, and oxygen 24 hours without any gap will be able to reach the lung. So that is very good idea to transport the oxygen from the trachea to the lungs. Okay ji, we'll go back. This is the cartilage, several type of the cartilage I will tell you. And one thing I also tell you, these are the vertebrae of your body. Backbone, if this is human body, okay, dorsal ventral you want to learn, dorsal ventral, interior posterior, okay. Human being positions can be identified very simple. This is your anterior side, this is your posterior side, this front side I will refer just facing me, mean that your eyes facing me, right? This is dorsal side, and back side will be ventral side, back side will be ventral side. Okay ji, once again, this is upper side anterior side, lower is posterior side, this back side is the dorsal side, and this front side is the ventral side. Okay, now I will tell you the vertebral column which is present at the back side. Back side which side? Back side which side? Dorsal side. Okay, the front side which side? Ventral side. The top side is which side? Anterior side. Lower feet side which side? Posterior side. Your side, one another side, I should tell the side area, this side area, these are the lateral sides. Lateral sides are not much important. Okay, I go to dorsal side, this is the dorsal side. 33 vertebrae are there, 33. Name of these vertebrae I am going to tell in this lecture. I think in the upcoming lectures I will discuss the 33 vertebrae name wise. Thoracic, cervix, I am not naming now because you are learning some other topics now. Okay, so 33 vertebrae are there. These 33 vertebrae, this is vertebrae number 1, this is the vertebrae number 2, this is the vertebrae number 3, 4, 5. These vertebrae are attached by a cartilage which give flexible movement, little a bit movement. You are getting me? Little a bit movement. Yes, if this movement will not occur, you are unable to move this bone to this position, and your bone, your backbone will not move. So cartilage present between the vertebrae, due to which your bone can be able to move. Your backbone is able to bend down, straighten like this one. It will little I just hold on. I tell you, yes, this one. This is a status, one status of your backbone. This is the one status of your backbone. So that is the reason you can bend down and move down, even you can offer prey. So vertebrae is also cartilage is present between them. So cartilage very important. Cartilage matrix I am going to discuss in the upcoming lecture. Lacunae, chondrocytes, living cells, and their matrix consists of living cells, and some things which are not present in the cartilage but present in the bones. Some things which are present in the bones not present in the cartilage we will discuss in the upcoming lecture. Assalamu alaikum.